Hey y'all, come on in. Today we're gonna make an orzo salad. We're gonna have fresh green onions that we're gonna saute down. These are from the farmer's market. It's spring, so we have lots of spring options, tons of spinach, and also some sauteed mushrooms. While all the vegetables are sauteing down, I'm gonna cook the orzo on the side in a different pan, and I made fresh bone broth this week, so I'm gonna use that as my liquid to like really amp up the flavor and the nutrition. If you are new to cooking and you're kind of nervous of how do I learn how to use a knife, a mushroom is a really nice way to learn how to use a knife. So take the stem off. Everybody uses stems. I don't know why I don't like the texture. Anyhow, but it just slices so nicely that it's a really nice way to practice or rocking your knife. And the chance you're gonna cut yourself, hopefully is not very likely. Try on a mushroom. Since our orzo is pretty small, instead of having the mushroom pieces be this larger size, even though they're gonna shrink down quite a bit, I still think this size is a little overwhelming for the size of pasta. So either you could do thirds, so you have little chunks, or you could do half, depending on the size of the mushroom. Next, we're gonna combine our orzo with our green onions, sauteed mushrooms, spinach, and also some cream cheese and Parmesan cheese. I do want to point out, way to go Nancy's, you're the only product I can find at Whole Foods and Trader Joe's that does not have gear gum added to your cream cheese. Way to go. Since I don't really know exactly how much orzo I want to add to my vegetable mixture, I'm just going to kind of add in 1 scoop at a time and just bring it to the spot of like consistency that I want, or the balance between the pasta and the vegetables. This looks so good. All right, just a sprinkle of Parmigiano Reggiano. Let's taste. It's just so creamy and like full of flavor. It's a winner.